guys, Jonathan here from TechMajesty.com. Today I'll be showing you how to clean any Verizon device from blacklisted status. Our service supports any Verizon device such as Apple iPhones, Apple iPads, Samsung, HTC, LG, Huawei, Pantech, ZTE, Motorola, BlackBerry, Nokia, Alcatel, Sony Ericsson, etc. As long as it's from Verizon, we can remove it from the blacklist. So I'll show you an iPhone X as an example where we will remove the phone from the blacklist. I'll show you the time and date so you can see in real time that we do actually clean the IMEI and remove it from the blacklist. So let me grab the IMEI number for this iPhone X here. Next we will go to Swappa so you can see this IMEI does belong to an iPhone X and that the phone is blacklisted. Okay, as you can see, this IMEI number is blacklisted for being reported lost and stolen, and the IMEI does belong to an iPhone X. Next, I'll check the same IMEI number on a different IMEI checking website so you can see the results are consistent. As you can see, this IMEI number is blacklisted and the IMEI does belong to an iPhone X. Next, let me show you the time and date for today. The time is 11:33 a.m. It is March 17, 2018, and we are located in Miami, Florida. The blacklist removal will take us 3 to 5 business days to get done. I'll return once it's done and show you guys the clean status of the phone, and we'll also show you the time and date again so you can see our service is working. In the meanwhile, I'll show you how to place your order for the Verizon cleaning service. We will go to TechMajesty.com. And once we are on this website, we will go to the blacklist removal service section, then choose the Verizon cleaning service. After that, in the phone model option, write the make and model of your phone. I have the iPhone X, so that's what I'll be writing here. Next, in the IMEI number field, write the 15-digit IMEI number of your phone. You can find this number by dialing *#06# on your phone's dialer. Next, you will click the Add to Cart button and go through the checkout process to complete your order. Once you complete the checkout, you'll receive an email within 3 to 5 business days informing you that your device has been removed from the blacklist. The email will look like this and say order enclosed. So guys, I'm back again. The blacklist removal has been completed, so let's go and see the results. Let me grab the IMEI number of this iPhone here. Next, we will go to the first IMEI checking website. As you can see, this is the same iPhone X, and the phone is now off the blacklist. Next, we will go to the second IMEI checking website. As you can see, this IMEI checking website also verifies the phone is off the blacklist. Next, I'll show you the time and date for today. The time is 11:47 p.m. It is March 20th, and we are located in Miami, Florida. So guys, it's as easy as that to remove your Verizon device from the blacklist and to start using your device again. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe as this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching.